In this excerpt, students sing intervals from the major pentatonic scale. This is built up sequentially, with the students singing the intervals in unison from the bottom, and then backwards in unison from the bottom. They then split into two parts. This process is then repeated from the top down.
Do, re, major second, do, mi, major third, do, sol, perfect fifth, do, la, major sixth, do, perfect octave.
Good, can we go re, do,
Re, do, major second, mi, do, major third, sol, do, perfect fifth, la, do, major sixth, do, perfect octave.
Good, this side, re, do, and this side, do, re, di,
Re, major second, D, major third, sol, perfect fifth, do, major sixth, do, perfect octave.
Yeah, good. Can we sing them from the top? Do, la, re.
Do, la, minor third, do, sol, perfect fourth, do, mi, minor sixth, do, re, minor seventh, do, perfect octave.
La, do, re.
La, do, minor third, sol, do, perfect fourth, mi, do, minor sixth, re, do, minor seventh, do, perfect octave.
Can we please get do, la on this side and la, do,